right, welcome back. I had someone reach out to me and mention that they were struggling with tying in rubber legs. So what I've got here is some round rubber legs, but this will work for flat rubber legs. Also works for Flashabou and Crystal Flash. So we're going to kind of pretend that we've built our bug back here, woolly bugger, whatever it is you're tying. It works on whatever, but so all we're going to do to start is just real simple. We're just going to place about 2 wraps over the top, and so that your material is lying flat with the shank. Now we're going to rotate that so that it kind of comes off to the side. I'm going to kind of try to do this on the side so you can see. So we're going to come from the front upper corner to the opposing back corner, and then the opposite back corner to the opposing front corner, and then just 1 wrap over. And this is called a figure 8, and you can get them to line out fairly well. It's hard to do it when it's on its side. If you want them to push to the back, there's several ways you can do it. So if you want to make some, say like some kicking legs or something like that for a frog pattern, just pinch the material, well, for rubber legs anyway, and stretch it to the back, and just build a little thread dam, kind of ever so slightly working back up onto the material, and it's going to start to push them to the rear. If you want your legs to, say, be more in line with the sides of the shank, you can pinch the material, drop, you'll have to drop the material and your hands underneath, and then we're just going to place a couple of wraps over, and then 1 back in front, and you'll see how far those drop down. But when you do this, you can actually start to lift them up into position, and this will allow you or spare you from having to use glue and a bunch of unnecessary turns, building up unnecessary bulk on the fly. And so there you go. Pretty simple. But it's a technique that's not talked about often, so I figured I'd shoot a video to try to help a few of you out. If you liked the video, I always appreciate a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share, as always. And come check us out over at flyvault.net, where we're doing social media a little bit differently. No ads or anything like that. We're not selling your data. And then also we have a way for you to store your fly patterns digitally. So come check that out. Other than that, as always, everybody, happy tying, take care, and we'll see you next time.